If you're planning a trip and want to explore different destinations based on flight prices, the Google Flights Map feature can be extremely useful. Instead of searching for flights city by city, this feature allows you to see flight prices for multiple destinations directly on a map. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the Google Flights map step by step, even if you've never used this feature before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to explore destinations, compare prices, and discover cheaper travel options quickly. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Flights website. On the home page, you'll see the main flight search section. Start by entering your departure airport or city in the From field. In the destination field, you can either leave it blank or type a broad region like a country or continent if you want to explore more options. After that, choose whether you want a one-way trip or a round-trip flight. Then select your travel dates and the number of passengers traveling. Once you've entered the details, click the search button. After the results page loads, look for the Explore or Map option. When you open the map view, you'll see different cities and destinations displayed across the map along with starting flight prices from your departure airport. These prices give you a quick idea of how much it may cost to travel to each location. You can zoom in and out of the map to explore different regions and countries. As you move around the map, Google Flights will update the displayed destinations and prices automatically. This makes it very easy to discover affordable places to travel without searching each city separately. You can also apply filters to narrow down your results. For example, you can set a maximum price, select preferred airlines, choose the number of stops, or limit travel duration. These filters help you find destinations that match your travel budget and preferences. If you see a destination that interests you, simply click on it. Google Flights will then show the available flight options for that route, along with airlines, travel time, and price details. From there, you can select the flight and proceed to the airline or travel website to complete the booking. Summary: in this tutorial, we learned how to use the Google Flights map by entering a departure city, opening the map or Explore view, comparing prices across multiple destinations, and applying filters to narrow down results. This feature makes it easier to discover new travel destinations and find cheaper flights. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.